welcome back to another video. I bet you guys have a Samsung dishwasher that you've probably not cleaned in a while. Let me show you where the filter is and exactly how to clean it and what you should do. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. Hope it really helps you. If it does, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome stuff like this video. Shoo! So I haven't cleaned this one out in a while, and I haven't put any dishwasher cleaner in it for a few months on purpose, just so I could see exactly how bad the buildup was on it, okay? Now, as you guys, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I recommend doing dishwasher cleaner at least once a month. You can buy a 6-pack of this stuff, a fresh dishwasher cleaner, for pretty cheap, okay? I think it's $10 or $12 for 6 of them. This stuff's really going to help your dishwasher run optimally, okay? So I really recommend that you guys check something like this out. Link down to this stuff is down in the description below. So listen, I'm trying to keep my head out of the way, but the first thing we want to do is take this tray out. All right, it's where it needs to be. Next thing you're going to want to do is, you can see this filter, okay? Unscrew it, pull it up, pull it out, and you're going to see there's going to be all kinds of gunk and buildup. So you're going to want to, I'm going to put this in the sink. There's even a sticker. The next thing you're going to want to do is actually get the filter assembly out. Okay, you can see there it is. So that is a couple months worth of gunk and buildup. You may want to get a pair of gloves. Yep, that's it. So it's pretty hard to see down in there. It's not too bad. It's actually not too bad. I've definitely seen a lot worse. You can see some stuff down in there towards the bottom. We'll need to clean that out, okay? So what I like to use is a little brush. Just take it. I'm gonna knock all this stuff loose, okay? All right, knock all the stuff loose. Because really past this, oh man. Let me show you how dirty this water is. So now the water, look at the water. It's considerably darker. Knocked all the gunk off of it. So, what I suggest is pretty hot water. And you can take this, you could actually do this outside, but just run it down the drain. You could use gloves if you want to, you could spray it, just somehow just get it clean. Not sure what that is. Not sure what that could be. You could also soak it in vinegar. And I don't know if you want to, you could probably bleach it too if you want to. I'm not sure what that is. So, I'm going to take a light brush. See if we can just knock whatever that is off. Actually, it smells like rust. That is rust? Huh. Yep, that's what that is. That is rust buildup. Not from the screen. You could see it from the inside there. That's... we'll do this side. So, just clean all that off before we take it loose. Take this. that. Spray it. Spray it down. Spray it down, spray it down, spray it down. Get all the stuff out. Okay? Get it all out. And you're going to make a mess and get water everywhere, but that's why I say you can do it outside if you want to. Put your filter back in. And then you want to put your cover over top of it. Slides in just like that. Lock in place. You can see the arrows. Should be pointing towards each other. I've actually never used this stuff before, this Glisten dishwasher cleaner, but it says it removes limescale, rust, grease, and buildup. So what we're gonna do is read the instructions. And basically it says remove cap, place the bottle upside down inside the silverware basket, close the dishwasher and run on hottest cycle. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove the lid. Oh, don't remove the wax plug. It says to put it in here, upside down. We're gonna set it just like that, and we're going to put it in there and run it on the hottest cycle. So that's it, guys. That's all it takes to clean your dishwasher. Really, it's that simple, and it's so neglected. I think it really causes a lot of people's problems in their dishwasher when it's really such an easy thing. When you run something like this every month, it's going to help get rid of that buildup that's going to clog your sprayer arms. It's going to clog different parts of your dishwasher. It's going to cause buildup that eventually will cause problems. So that's why I really recommend that you run it every single month. Again, if you need help finding this, there's a link down in the description below. All total, this probably took 10 minutes to pull that out. Probably the hardest part was figuring out how that went back at the end. But it's so simple, so easy, anybody could do it. So anyway, if you guys like this video and it's really helped you, leave me a comment down below, like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, hope you have a great day.